Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about Pythons in Python arrays and class and objects in Python. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, I have given a notes link in my description and a program link in my description. You can download the description. You can download the program and notes from my description. Okay, I'll open my Python editor. Okay, let's start with the array. Array is used to store multiple values in a single variable, and Python supports arrays Pythons can be used instead of. Okay, I have given one example of and there are 7 types of accessing our methods are there. First one is accessing an element and modifying an element and getting an element, looping of array and adding element and removing an element and removing a specific element from an array. Okay, now we will do in a practical way. Okay, here I have coded previous to make our time sufficient. Okay, now I'm going to give cars names of cars, Ford, Lamborghini and Ferrari, BMW and Volvo, and I have printed the cars, and I have also printed the length of the cars, and I have printed cars of 0, which was 4, and third which was BMW, and I printed. Okay, now watch. First cars is printed, Lamborghini, Ferrari, BMW and Volvo, and the length of the cars is 5, and the 0th car name is Ford, and third car is BMW, and printed from 1 to 4 it was Lamborghini, Ferrari, BMW. Okay, now I'm going to remove this. Now I'm going to use looping of an array. I have printed looping an array for x in car. I printed x, so I'm going to save the control S, and I'm going to run this module. Okay, it's printed in an way. Okay, in this way we can print array elements by using looping statements, and I'll remove, and now I'll print adding an element. So now we'll learn how to add an element in an array. So cars that I append, I'm going to add a RR, and then I printed length of the cars. Okay, I'll run this module. Okay, it's added an element. So here you can observe RR is printed an extra element, and the length of the car will be 5 here, and I'll remove this. And now we are going to learn about removing an array value from an array from a group of array. So I have printed printed cars and car.pop1, car.pop3 I have printed here. So we'll check first. I'll make this as comment. So I'm going to give pop1. Let's see what will happen. So I'm going to run this module. Okay, you can observe in the first line you can observe an element called Lamborghini has missing. So we are removed that first value from our cars list. So I'll make this removed. So RR is removed. Lamborghini is removed. Okay, I'll pop third element. Third object. What will happen? The third object is Volvo 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. It starts from 0 to n numbers. So here Volvo is removed. You can observe that clearly. So in this way we can remove an element from our batch of batch of elements, batch of arrays. Okay, and I'm going to remove a specific element from our array elements. Let's see what will happen. So I printed the specific value from an element. I printed the cars, and I given cars dot remove BMW. I am going to remove cars which was named is BMW. So I'll make first this as comment, and I am going to run this. Okay, it's printed the actual list of the car, and I'm going to remove now BMW. So let's see what will happen now. So Control S, and I'll run this. So here watch, BMW has been removed from our list. In this way we can remove any element from our list of array elements. So I'll remove this and this. In here I printed class. So now we are going to discuss about class and objects. So I'll make proper arrangement. I'll remove this. So start with the classes and objects. So what are classes and object means? Python is an so your almost object with the properties method. A class is a blueprint for coding an object. It gives only the blueprint of an object. It gives only the blueprint of an object. Then I given file handling in Python. You can observe it. We can discuss it later. So we'll discuss about Python's now. So I printed Python objects and given a class and objects in the Python. So I printed class method. So next this, sorry, it was an heading, don't mind. I'll give it as hash. So here I printed class method, and I given class my class x is equal to 5, print x. So we given print of x in class my class. So I'll run this. So here class method is printed, x is equal to 5 is printed here. So I'll remove this from here. Okay, now we'll see some more examples to understand in a better way. So I'll make this as comment, and I'll remove this. Okay, yeah, it's okay. I given class called dog and define initiate. I'll give some space to understand better way. Initiate self and name, self comma name. I'm going to initiate that name and self and name. So I have printed self as O, and print name as the format will be which will give here. So I printed Chitty 2.0, and chalk will print here, or ho will print here, and here will print dog. After that it will print the name of the person. So I'll run this. So you can watch here. O name first. It prints O and prints name of a person. Okay, I'll remove this. So I'm going to discuss one more example to understand in a better way. And do this. So, yeah. So here let me do some changes over here. Remove here. I'll make this as comment lines. Let me give this also as command. So I have inserted shell name and self name. I have printed the names of a person has been created with the name, and I have given self as oh hi, and I'll given a name which is given below here, and Chitty is equal to cat of Chitty. The class name is cat. Okay, this will print in our here. So first Chitty talk will print, and again Potty talk will print, and the names of Potty and Chitty will be printed here. So I'll save this. I'll run this module. Oh, something is wrong. So I forget to do some comment here. So I will comment over here. Sorry. So now I'll run Control S and I'll run this. So you can watch here properly. So object Chitty has been created, and who says hi, it says my name is Potty and my name is Chitty, and again it's printed in two-way. Sorry, I have given some mistake over here. So I'll again print. So I'll again save and print. I'll run this. Okay, again some mistake has been done here. Okay, I'll remove this. I'll give one more comment line over here, and I'll save this and I'll run this. So you can watch here. First object with the name created, and chart will be started here. Chitty created, Potty created, and host is Chitty, and the names has been introduced by themselves. Okay, let's see when we give print Chitty and Potty. So you can watch here. It gives only the address of their names. So address of the Chitty and Potty. So if you want to print these names, we should use some more syntax. So I'll remove this. So I'll remove this comes over here, and I'll do some adjustment, and I'll remove this. And now I'll do some changes. So you can see here I have executed here. So I added the def_str self name and returned self dot name, and I'll remove this, and I'll save this and run here. So you can see that syntax makes print of the same name over a specific place. So this will be this. In this way we can print our names here. So thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Thank you so much.